In this video, I'll show you how to create and share a Google Doc, that is a Google document. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Chrome browser, right? So you're going to click on these dotted icons right here. Then you scroll down, click on these docs, right? Wait for it to load. And once it has opened, you're going to click on this, right? That is to start a new document. I'm going to click on it. Then I can come on here. So we just created a new document, right? So I'm going to show you how you can share that maybe to your friends or your family. So this Happy New Year. So if you want to share it, what you need to do, you need to click on this, right? Then you can be able to copy this. Once I've copied it, you can share to friends, to family, and to anyone you want to share to. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the very next one.